Welcome to my channel, folks, where I dedicate my time and effort in teaching other people in the world how to grow from seed to harvest indoors all year long. Welcome to episode 5 of the Cucumber Grow series. I purchased these online and I didn't know I was getting a bonus. 2 types of cucumbers for the price of 1. Which brings us to day 55. Temperature outside 95 degrees, inside 79. pH sitting at 6.1, reservoir temp 69 degrees. And the ladies are doing just fine. Well, folks, it's day 62, it's 100 degrees outside and 80 degrees inside. pH is sitting at 6.1, reservoir temp 70 degrees. Cucumbers are looking delicious and I think I'm gonna harvest a few. It's day 68 and it's 93 degrees outside and almost 78 degrees inside. pH is sitting at 6.1, reservoir temp 69. I'm gonna let this cucumber plant go a couple more weeks and see if I can get a couple more cucumber out of it. And remember, folks, cultivate kindness one seed at a time. If you enjoy my videos, please give me a like, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate it. It helps out the channel. Thanks for watching.